Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a socket in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Take a 2D sketch. Here we'll start from the XY plane. This will be the front view. Take a rectangle and click on polygon. We want 6-side polygon. Select the center point, make a polygon here. Here take the vertical constraint, select this point and select the center. So this will be vertically aligned. Go to dimension, define the outer to outer dimension here as 41 mm. Finish sketch, take extrude of 15 mm. This will be a single side extrude and press OK. Now go to origin and here we will select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. This will be the right side view. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Take sketch, take the line command, start from the center point, okay. Make one profile here, like this, here, and make one joining profile, okay. Go to dimension. Here we will define this as 13, okay, and define this as 17. Define this total as 72 and define this as 58 mm. Okay, so this is fully constrained sketch now. Finish sketch, take revolve. So the profile is selected. Select this as axis of rotation and this will be a joining profile and press OK. Now go to view, or first go to 3D model. Now we have this model. Now I want to make the inner cut, okay. So again I'll select the YZ plane, go to create sketch and here this time take the line command. We'll start from the same center point, okay. Make straight line till here and make one profile here like this, here, and one profile here, okay. Undo this, escape, undo, okay. We'll make this line once again, okay, and escape. Make it bit more upside. Take here vertical constraint, select this point, escape. Now here go to line command and make the joining profile. Go to dimension. This dimension here will not define this, so I'll delete this. Select this, delete. Go to dimension, define this total as 9 mm. Define this second dimension as 7 mm and define this dimension as 16 mm, okay. Define this as 15, define this one as 27, okay. Finish sketch, take revolve. So profile is selected, select this as axis of rotation and click here on cut. Press OK and go to home, okay. Now here I want to make a whole profile also. Select YZ plane, go to create sketch. Take circle command, make one hole here of diameter 4 mm. Go to dimension, select the center and select this. Define this dimension 65. Take here, undo this, vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Finish sketch, take extrude and here I'll take cut and this will be all. I'll take it symmetric and here press OK. Now here take the circular pattern, select extrude 2, go to rotation axis and select this profile. Here we will take count of 6 and press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now you can see the profile. Select this corner, take here fillet, take fillet here of 2 mm, this also 2 mm fillet, and press OK. Go to 3D model. Now I'll take chamfer of 1 mm, select this corner, rotate and select this corner. Press OK. OK. Rotate. Now I'll define the appearance. I'll click OP. So it will be opal. Press enter. So this will be the final out. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a socket in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.